In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Snapchat photos. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Snapchat and hit on your profile icon. Now there, hit on that gear icon, and there, to be able to recover deleted Snapchat photos, you have to swipe to the very bottom and there hit on my data. Now before that screen you will need to enter your login and password from your Snapchat account, and there you can read about which data is available for download. Here you can see some of that rows are checkmarked, so that data is available for download, like login history and account information, snap history, chat history, story and spotlight content, purchase history, and bunch of different other options. And to be able to restore that data, all you have to do is enter your email address here and there, confirm that email address, and next hit here on submit request, and all that data will be sent on your email. That's how it works, guys, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.